subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has silently launched its new smartphone under Y series in China called Vivo Y32 with latest Qualcomm's chipset. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y32 supports a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it is the world's first smartphone to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. The handset packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be expanded up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage, which is also expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y32 features a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture, and it has 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging, and it runs on Android 11 based on Origin OS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Gamebox 10 plus Multi-Turbo 5.5 feature for better performance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.26 by 76.08 by 8mm, and it weighs around 182 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y32 has been priced in China at 1,399 Chinese yuan, and it will be soon available for purchase in the country in midnight blue and pearl white color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y32 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.